Happy Father's Day to our Lolo Mario and our Daddy Roy Lee.
Thank you for all your sacrifices, love, and support. We appreciate you and thank you so much. We love you both and God bless po. Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day po, Tatay Mario and Daddy Riley. We love you both. Salamat po sa love. Salamat po sa lahat po ng ginagawa niyo for our family. The Lord bless you and keep you always. We miss you and we love you. God bless po.